You love this garland leaf design? Let me show you exactly how I made it, step by step. We'll begin with a blue satin ribbon that's 3.8 cm wide and 10 cm long. Next, I'll show you how to turn it into a petal. There, our first petal is finished, and we'll need 6 pieces of them. Next, we have a round piece of felt that will be our base. If you don't have, you can also use a round piece of cardboard. I've divided it into 6 sections to make placing the petals nice and even. Now, let's attach the blue petals one by one. For the next layer, we're using a red satin ribbon, also 3.8 cm wide and 10 cm long. We'll make these into petals the same way and we'll need 6 pieces. These will go right in between the blue petals to create a fuller flower. And next, this is a blue polka dot satin ribbon in 1 cm wide and 10 cm long. We'll turn these into smaller petals and we'll also need 6 pieces of these too. Let's glue them in place one at a time. our next layer, we're using a red and white striped ribbon, 2.5 cm wide and 10 cm long. We'll repeat the same petal making process and make 6 petals. This will add another beautiful layer to our flower. Finally, we're going back to our blue satin ribbon, the 3.8 cm wide and 10 cm long. Just like before, we'll make 6 more petals to complete the final layer. There it is, our garland flower is almost finished. You can personalize it with a logo, a themed embellishment, or anything that matches your design. For this tutorial, I'll be using this flower embellishment because it's what I have on hand. Now, let's turn it into a wearable garland blade. I'm using a 5 cm wide satin ribbon that's 120 cm long for the necklace. First, I'll cut both ends into a V shape, then heat seal them to prevent fraying. I'm making the tail about 9 cm long. then adding a little glue to keep everything secure. I'm attaching another round piece of felt so everything looks neat and clean at the back. If you don't have felt, a round piece of cardboard works just as well. It's finished! Our handmade garland leis is ready to wear. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Happy crafting!
At DJ Baltic, dreams come true. So join the fun, come craft.